Okay, we've got a 2007 Cat C9 in this 2007 Beaver Contessa, and we are running a stock setting right now. We're going to see what power and torque we can put out stock, and then we're going to run it with the PDI Big Boss tuner in the performance mode and see what kind of difference we can achieve. When we start the test, this is going to be reading the horsepower, and this is going to be reading the torque, and this is the RPM. So once we start the test, it'll start loading it up, and then you'll see the speed drop and the RPMs increase and everything start loading up, and that'll measure the horsepower and torque. So here we go. So it looked like we hit about 320 horsepower and about I think it was around 900 foot-pounds of torque. So keep those numbers in mind, and we'll do an after test here in a moment. Okay, we're going to go ahead and tune this Beaver. Programming, power. Alright. So this takes about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so till it's done doing its thing, and then we'll run it again. Okay, here is our after run with the PDI Big Boss Tuner power tune loaded. Remember, before we had about 320 horsepower and right about 900 foot-pounds of torque out of this Cat C9. There we go. So got her all the way up to almost 400 horse and over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. That'll wake this thing right up, and didn't even have to get my hands dirty. This little tuner right here is the only one on the market that works on diesel pushers without any issues. Gauge screen, touch, this thing's pretty awesome. You can buy it on ultrarvproducts.com. Part number is a 7340001. And give us a call if you have any questions.